In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions in Stripe. By the end, you'll feel confident ending a subscription the right way, without surprises for you or your customer. First, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you are using the correct account and that you have permission to manage billing. If you are prompted for two-factor authentication, that's normal. Complete it to continue. Once you are in, you are ready to navigate to the place where subscriptions live. Head to the subscriptions page from your main dashboard. Depending on your layout, you might find it under billing. Then subscriptions. This page lists all active, trialing, and past subscriptions. If you are working with many customers, use the search and filters to quickly zero in on the one you want to end. Double-check the customer, the plan, and the current billing period so you are certain you are looking at the correct subscription. When you've found the right one, look for the overflow menu, the three dots next to that subscription. Click it. Then choose Cancel Subscription. This opens a confirmation flow where Stripe asks when you want the cancellation to take effect. This timing is important, so choose the option that matches your intent. If you pick immediately, Stripe ends the subscription right away. Access is revoked as soon as you confirm, and no further billing cycles will be created. Existing invoices stay as they are and no new renewal will be generated. This is best when you need access to stop now. If you choose at the end of the period, the customer keeps access until the current billing cycle finishes. And then the subscription stops. This avoids interrupting service mid-cycle and is a good default when you want a clean, predictable end without mid-period changes. If you need a specific cutoff date, select the Custom Day option and pick a date. This is helpful if you are aligning with a contract term or a particular operational date. Be mindful of your account's time zone when choosing so the cancellation happens exactly when you expect. Before finalizing, take a second to review the summary on screen. Confirm the subscription, the timing choice, and any notes shown about billing. When everything looks correct, click Cancel Subscription to confirm. Stripe will record the cancellation and you'll see the updated status or end date reflected on the subscription's details. It's a good idea to note the cancellation date for your records, so everyone is aligned on when service ends. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching.